Hello friends, welcome to EduSpark Career Development Private Limited. Today we are going to have some discussion on some coding question. So in a code language, how many goals scored is written as 5397, how many matches is written as 982, and he scored 5 is written as 163. How is goal written in that code language that we need to identify? Now, if we compare the first two, how many goals scored, which is written as 5397, and many more matches is written as 982. So here from, by comparing these first two, we can say that many, the code for many will be 9, because many is common in these two and 9 is also common. So many stands for 9, or 9 stands for many. Now, if we compare the first one and the third one, so we get score is the common one in between these two, and the digit 3 is common. So we can say scored is 3, digit 3 is stands for code. So goal should be either 5 or 7. So the correct answer will be option C, 5 or 7. Hope you have understood this. Coming to the next question, in a certain code, temporal is written as OLDS NBSP, and then how consider will be written in that code. So if we divide the temporal into two parts, temp and oral. So temp is represented by OLDS. So T is substituted by S, E by D, M by L, and P by O. So like here, just the previous letter is substituting this, and that is written in the reverse order. And oral, if we consider, it is MBSP. So O is substituted by P, R by S, A by B, and L by M. And this is written in the reverse order. So similar manner, if we consider the word consider, so it will be like this. BNMR. So if we consider CONS, it will be replaced by BNMR in the reverse order, that is RMNB, and IDER will be replaced by SFEJ, because it is actually JEFS in the similar manner. So the correct answer will be RMNBSFEJ, that is option A. Hope you have understood this. Coming to what EduSpire Career Development is offering, we are offering a series of live online sessions for exam aspirants for IBPS, RRB, CAT, SSC, and campus jobs. Our chief mentor, co-founder, and director, Mr. Ankuran Das, is an alumni of IIM Bangalore and Jadavpur University. We have many other experienced faculty members with us. We provide live online classes by these expert mentors, exam-specific sessions, practice materials, and 24/7 doubt clearing classes. Apart from regular syllabus, we are also providing interview tips, group discussion tips, extempo, dress code tips. We prepare job aspirants with presentation skills, and we assist in CV making too. You will get live online classes, strategic guidelines for preparation, comprehensive course materials, regular interaction for doubt clearing and career counseling. We ensure personalized attention by keeping our batches small. You will understand what to prepare, how much to prepare, and you will get updated contents from multiple experts. You will be following a practical routine and will be able to balance all sections. We will be able to make a specific plan, how many questions from which chapters you need to do. You can discuss your plan with the experienced mentors to make your plan more effective. Online platform saves time without compromising other engagements. You will also get recorded videos for revision and easy access to the entire faculty team. So, no point delaying anymore. Feel free to contact us in the given numbers as early as possible.